Okay, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This case is made by Ringke. It's the Ringke Fusion X. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this from Amazon. It's the Ringke Fusion X case designed for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the X version, not the regular Fusion case. This one's got a little more edgy look to it. It's a black color, $12.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the packaging. Ringke used the eco-friendly package. Ultimate experience right there. Let's go ahead and rip this off. So Ringke usually has some cards inside. Show you how to put it on, those type things. We don't need that. And it's got some plastic inside. We'll take that off later. But here's the edgy design I described. You got these kind of industrial look right here on the back. You got a raised camera area right here. That's going to protect the camera. And power button, and the vibe down rocker is open, but it's got some ridges there so you can differentiate them between each other. This is the mic hole. Got a mic hole right there, charging port, speaker, and your S Pen. Lanyard opening right there. Otherwise it's clean. You got a Ringke branding and your lanyard open right there, right? I'm gonna take this plastic off, then we're gonna put the case in, see what it looks like. Okay, here's the Note 20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and pop this inside, see what it looks like. Now, this usually fit pretty well. Nice protection. Good shock absorption. It's a little loose around here, not too bad, but I mean, it's, you see that, it's tolerable, but right here on the button, that volume rocker is a little bit loose. I don't really like that. Usually these fit very snug and tight. Now it's doable. You're not gonna, it's not gonna come off or anything, but that's a little too loose for me. But this is a good grippy case, and it adds good protection as well. As you can see, the camera is raised, so it's covered, not gonna have any problem there. Plus you got these corners right here that's raised up a little bit. That's gonna help. The front cover is, it's got a little lip right there, so you can put this down. Got a lanyard open right there. Everything lines up on the bottom, you see that. Got your mic hole right there. Charging port and your S Pen, you're gonna be able to get to that no problem. And you got your mic hole up top rail as well, so that lined up. Good case. These always work well. If you want that edgy design, it's gonna do it for you. Let's check out wireless charge, see how that works. Now here's the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and put this on and see what it does. All right, so wireless charge, no problem, picks up. Most of these cases are gonna do that. They're not gonna have any problems with wireless charging. All right, it's pretty thin. You got the polycarbonate back, it's gonna go through, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Ringke Fusion X case for the Galaxy Note Ultra, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, if you got any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.